Hello all students, welcome back. So in the previous videos of this chapter, that is lists in Python, we had a discussion regarding what is list, how we are creating list, how lists are traversed using forward traversing and backward traversing, and also we saw a small program where we are creating a list and accessing each of the elements of the list. In this video, we will be discussing about how we can make use of some relational operators for comparing two lists. Now, first of all, I would again like to make clear what are relational operators. Relational operators are those operators in Python which will allow us to relate between any two data types. Examples: double equal to, greater than, less than, not equal to. All these are examples of relational operators. Okay, so now let us you can say exercise all of these relational operators by comparing two lists. As of now, I will be showing you demo codes this for this comparing two list. Later on, for some programs, I think either of these conditions may be useful to you. Okay, so let us create two lists. Suppose my first list is list 1, and suppose I am entering the elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let me create one more list. For now, I am entering the elements say 4, 3, 2 and 1. Fine. Now let us start comparing list. Let us actually make the use of all of these operators one by one. First of all, we will make use of the equal to operators. What will happen if I print list 1 equal to list 2? Remember, just remember, whenever we are you can say making use of these relational operators directly for two lists, okay, it will give us the output in the form of, you can say, boolean means it will give us either true or it will give us false. Okay, so let us check whether this is working properly or not. I have checked the condition whether list 1 is equal to list 2, and as you can see, contents of list 1 and list 2 are almost different. So if I am not wrong, it will give us false. Correct? Fine. Because both the lists are actually different. Even though number of elements in the list are same. Even though number of elements in the list are same. Okay, here also the length of this list is 4. Here also the length of the list is 4. So length of both the lists are same. But actual elements are different. Now you will have a doubt that, sir, elements are also same. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 is there, and here also 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. See, list comparison does not occur like this. List comparison occurs element to element. Here first element is 1, of first list is 1, first element of second list is 4. So that is why this comparison will not work. Okay, let us try making the proper list 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is also 1, 2, 3, 4. If I execute, we will see that list 1 is equal to list 2. That is why we are getting true here. Okay, fine. If I just change one element, list 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and list 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Obviously, there is element mismatch, so it will give us false. Correct? Okay. Now I want to exercise one more thing in this equal to pattern. What if I enter decimal numbers? What if I enter decimal numbers? I want to verify whether Python, logically speaking, both the lists are now same, because we know that 1.0 is same as 1, 3.0 is same as 3. So it is logically okay for us, but I want to make sure whether Python recognizes logically that both are same. Remember, as per Python, these are two different data types. This is integer, this is float. Okay, as per Python, these are two different data types. So we want to discuss whether it is working properly or not. Let us see. As you can see, it is giving us true. So Python also recognizes that this decimal and integers are okay. As I was telling, if I just enter 1.1, obviously it will stop recognizing both the list are same. It will be obviously different. If I enter 1.001, okay, whatever is the case, list will be different. So I hope you are all clear with the use of this equal to compare relational operator for comparing list. Let us check the next two one, that is greater than and less than. Okay, let me change the list. Say I want 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. let us just randomly put the symbol. List 1 is greater than list 2. Now first we will see the result, then I will explain what was actually happening. It is giving us false. What is the reason? Whenever see, for equal to operator, it will directly check the elements of the list. Okay, for equal to operator, it will directly check the elements of the list. Okay, I again want to repeat. Suppose we have 1 2 3 4 and I want list 1 equal to list 2 be checked. It will definitely give us true because all the elements are same. Okay, it is not comparing the length. I want to verify. Suppose I will write 9 8 7 and 6. You will see that length of both the list is same, both are 4 4, but it is giving us false. That means equal to operator is not checking the length, it is checking the exact character or exact element in each of the list. But okay students, so I think you are clear with the use of equal to operator while comparing two lists. Now let us go for greater than and less than, and this works in a little different manner as compared to the equal to one. Now suppose just as you can see, both my list contain the same elements. I am just trying equal to, it is obvious that it will come true. Even if I change one of the element, it will say that it is not the same. Okay, but greater than and less than works in a different manner. Suppose I put the condition like this: list 1 is greater than list 2. Definitely it will come false, but I will give you the reason why it is coming false. See students, what is happening? Whenever we are comparing two lists, each element is compared. First element of first list is 1. This is also 1. Both are same. So second element is checked. Both are same. Third element is checked. Both are same. Fourth element is checked. This is lesser and this is greater. Okay, so as per our result, list 2 is greater than list 1 because as I told you, each element will be compared. Each element will be compared. All first three elements are same, so no decision is taken there. For the last element, here we have 4 and here we have 7. Obviously 7 is greater than 4, that means list 2 is greater than list 1. Our condition is reverse, that is why we are getting false. Okay, we can check it. We will use the other sign. Now you will see that it will give us true. Okay, hope you are understanding. Okay, let us you can say solidify our understanding. Let us say I want this. Can you predict the result? Definitely it will be true. Why? List 1 has 4 elements. Here for less than or equal to or less than or greater than, we have nothing to do with the length of the list. Okay, this has 4 elements, this has 1 element. The first element will be checked. First element here is 1, first element here is 9. So list 2 is greater than list 1. That is our condition. So I think our condition will be satisfied and we will get true. Okay, I hope you are getting my point, how we are comparing list using less than and equal to operator. Let us say one more. Let us say 9 1 2 3, and let me change here 9. Okay, and suppose if I alter the condition like this, can you predict what is the result before I execute the program? Here both are 9, so comparison will go ahead. Here we have 2, here we have 1, so obviously list 1 is greater than list 2. See students, it will compare only it will see the result of only one comparison. Here both are same, so it is going ahead. Okay, and as soon as it finds that here one element is bigger than this, it will not check the other two elements. I hope you are getting my point. That is why I took this example. Here first element is 9, so it is not able to give the judgment of this greater than, so it is going for the second element. It is getting the judgment at the second element itself that list 1 is greater than list 2. That is why it will not check these two results. Okay, so even if I put like this 9 9, even if I put like this, so okay, chalo, let us say not 9 9 0 0, and even if I put like this, that 9 9, as per our consigns, it is visible that sir, here the elements are somewhat comparatively elements are somewhat greater as compared to this, but that is not the case. You can just consider it to be a very simple number, 9200 9199, to be very simple. Okay, both the 9s are same, So it will go for comparing the second number. Here we have 2, here we have 1, 2 is greater than 1, that means list 1 is greater than list 2, and I think that is the condition we have specified. We will get true in this case. Okay, fine. What if I put 9999? Don't be confused, just see this as numbers if you don't want to go into logical. 9 and 9 are same, here 2 and 9. List 2 is greater than list 1, other things will not be checked. Okay, list 2 is greater than list 1, our condition is reverse, so we will get false. Correct? So I hope you have a concrete understanding now of greater than and less than. Now comes to the last part, that is not equal to. I think students we saw equal to, correct na? Suppose let me make both the list as same. Obviously we will get true now, correct? What is the meaning of not equal to? Okay, what will be the result of this? Both the lists are true, both the lists are same, so list 1 is not equal to list 2. Now we will get false. Okay, because both the lists are not same. Remember, these are boolean functions, these all relational operators will give us boolean outputs. Here list 1 and list 2 are both the same, correct? But I have specified a condition that list 1 is not equal to list 2. So obviously list 1 is equal to list 2 as per what we can see. So this will give us false. If we alter one condition, that here we have 9200, here we have 92001, obviously these two lists are not the same. So this condition will be satisfied and we will get true. Okay. So students, I hope you are clear with this very small topic. Here, this does not have any direct implication, but it can be a part of some program that can be faced by you. Okay, so I hope you are very clear with equal to, not equal to, less than, greater than. I again repeat, less than, greater than does not, you can see the length of the list. It compares the elements barely. Okay, suppose first element is same, it will go for the second element is same, it will go for the third element is same, it will go for the last element, and as you can see for the last element we are judging that list 2 is greater than list 1. If this is the case, suppose if this is the case, first element is same, it will go for the second element we are getting the judgment that list 1 is greater than list 2, it will keep checking all the other elements. So it is as simple as that. So that would be all from my side for this video. Thank you and have a nice day.